Great morning, everyone. Today we are going to start lesson 3 of English, that is Brave Bubbly. Here, this is a story of Bubbly, who is very brave. So, children, before starting the story, let's see the learning objective of the story. So, children, after reading the story, you will be able to develop the skill of listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and your knowledge of vocabulary and grammar will be expanded. Okay, let's start the story. So, children, Bubbly is one of the 9 children of a poor man. Bubbly father was a poor man, and he has 9 children, and Bubbly is one of them. She saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. So, children, what is drowning? Drowning, dying under water because you can't breathe. If you can't breathe under the water, so you are drowning. And she got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005. Bubbly got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005 from the Prime Minister of India. So, children, here you will see Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister of the India that time, and this is her real story. Bubbly lives with her family in a small mud house on the bank of the Ganga. Small mud house means kacha house. Bubbly lives with her family in a kacha house. And Bubbly dreams of going to school, but she cannot because her family was poor. She cannot go to school because her family has no money for the school fee. However, she has faith in hard work and in God. She always believes in hard work and in God. And she is always smiling and helpful girl. She always helps her mother with work in the house. And in the evening, she goes to watch the sunset over the Ganga. Sunset is a time where sun is setting down, and she goes to watch the sunset over the Ganga. And she loves to see twinkling star. Twinkling star means shining stars, and the changing shape of the moon. You know that moon changes its shapes daily. So she loves it. 30 June 2004. This date changed Bubbly life forever. She was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset. She always trying to finish her work quickly before. From time to time, she would laugh at the funny actions of the 6 young children playing nearby. 6 young children who were playing nearby, and she would laugh at their funny actions. So, children, sometimes they ran around a wooden vegetable cart with wheels. Look at here. This is a wooden vegetable cart with wheel, and sometimes they chased each other, shouting and screaming. Chased means ran after somebody. किसी के पीछे भागना. Each other shouting and screaming, and sometimes they ran around a wooden vegetable cart with wheels, and they climbed onto the cart and started jumping and dancing on it. What they did, the children climbed onto the cart and started jumping and dancing on it. Suddenly the wheels of the cart slipped, and the cart with 6 children still on it started rolling down the slope towards the river. They were rolling down the slope towards the river. The cart fell into the water with a loud thud. Thud is a sound made when a heavy object hits something else. If the heavy object hits something else, the sound comes, which is called thud. The children started screaming with fear. Screaming means shouting. The children started shouting with fear. Bubbly heard their scream and raced to the spot. Many grown-up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river. But it was Bubbly who jumped into the river. Then she jumped into the water again and saved 2 more children. Then they saved the 2 remaining children. The brave little girl had saved 6 children from death in the water. A newspaper reporter wrote about her brave deed in the newspaper Amar Ujala. Amar Ujala is the name of the newspaper, and deed means an action that is usually very good or very bad. He asked Bubbly's father to send her name for the National Bravery Award. Award is a prize for something, and he here newspaper reporter, and he asked Bubbly's father to send her name for the National Bravery Award, and the Bubbly won the national award and many other awards too. And she is still the same simple smiling girl. She is very happy that she could do something for others, and she is a shining example of courage. So children, here our story Brave Bubbly is completed, and I hope you have understood the story well. So children, in the next, the comprehension part is given. Read the following sentences carefully and find out words from the lesson to fill in the blanks. First you read the following sentences. After that you have to find the word from the lesson and fill in the blanks. Okay. So children, I hope you have understood the story. Thank you children.